Won't you agree if I say whenever you change the wallpaper on your phone, it just changes the way you feel whenever you use your phone? Well, that's the case for me, and if you're someone who changes the wallpaper every 2-3 days, like me, then you're at the right place. Welcome, everybody. My name is Shashwat, and today I've handpicked 8 different wallpaper apps which I use personally and I recommend. Note that this list is in no particular order. So, let's get started. I'm sure most of you know about this app or might as well have used this app. This is Google's own wallpapers app. This has great collection of wallpapers. I especially like the landscapes category, which has amazing collection of landscapes. This also allows you to make any of your pictures from gallery to make as a wallpaper. This app has other features including separate lock screen and home screen wallpapers and auto set functionality for new wallpapers every day and more. And the best part is that this app is completely free with no ads or in-app purchases. So the next app is Wally. I've been using this app for a very long time. This app has a lot of categories to choose from and the collection on this app is huge. The app has beautiful wallpapers. The app includes simple layout, categories for easy browsing. It also is a good spot for artists to promote their work. A nice feature on this app is that you can select and add wallpapers to your playlist and keep it on auto change. You can set the time limit so the wallpapers will change after a certain time. For the free version you can set up to 10 wallpapers. If you want more, then you can upgrade. Next is Tapit. Tapit is a really unique customization app which has a lot of patterns to choose from. If you are into patterns and design, then this app is for you. There's a lot of designs and patterns to choose from. It doesn't stop there. There's an option where you can choose any color you want and Tapit will suggest you the wallpapers according to that color palette. This app uses your screen resolution and gives you wallpaper that is of your screen resolution, so you don't really have to guess if any of the wallpaper is of low resolution. In any case, this is a really good wallpaper app. Wallpy is a newer wallpaper app. It has an excellent bunch of quite high resolution wallpapers. This is a client app for Unsplash where all the images are from Unsplash itself. However, this app also changes your wallpaper at various points in the day. It doesn't rely on timers like most. Instead, it waits until the phone is charging or on Wi-Fi to change your background. There is a lot of variety. However, Wallpy is mostly photography, so you don't find abstract stuffs or anything like that here. It's a neat solution with some decent selection. So this one is called as Abstract. Fun fact, this is made by Hampus Olsen, the designer for all the wallpapers on OnePlus devices. It features all the variety of abstract wallpapers in variety of colors. There are about 300 backgrounds in total and they are all in 4K resolution as well. We expect more to hit this app as the time passes. It is also a great way to get all the wallpapers from OnePlus devices without buying one. The best part about this app is its design. The wallpaper are grouped by different categories. There is a Pro app which unlocks all the wallpaper packs and lets you automatically shift wallpapers. The next app on our list is Backdrops. This is one of the more popular apps and it's also a community based app. The people in the community post high quality wallpapers here. There are so many categories to choose from and there is a huge collection of wallpapers here. You can set your wallpapers from either home or lock screen or both. There is a paid version where you can download the wallpapers as well as share them. There are certain sets of wallpapers which are paid and if the wallpapers are important, then the upgrade might be worth for you. This one is a very unique app. This is called as the Creative app. In addition to wallpapers, this also has ringtones, a small picture editing suite which personally I would not recommend. There is a music editor where you can drop your downloaded music to make it as a ringtone, and there is a home screen layout page where you can find home screen layout uploaded by others, and if you like any of the layout and if you want to apply the same home screen layout on your device, all you need to do is tap on the layout and you will get all the customization steps to follow. All in all, this is a very fun app if you want to play with your device. I have kept the best app for the last and I use this app personally. This is Pinterest and it has millions of wallpapers or designs or photos or whatever you want, you can find it here. If you want an image of beach, it's here. If you want an image of your favorite anime, you have it here. Any image or any wallpaper, it's just a search away. This is my personal favorite app for wallpapers. You can also download images from here. This app is also free, there is no in-app purchases, but you will have occasional ad pop-ups here, but it's not intrusive. So these were my top list of wallpaper apps which I personally use. Let me know in the comments below which wallpaper app did you like the most, and if you have any of the apps which you want me to try, put it in the comments below. I'll make sure to give it a try, and I'll post my opinion over at the Instagram. My Instagram handle is @Shashwat So this is for this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care. See you in the next one.